How to log out of X. So if you're using Twitter and you want to log out of the Twitter account on your phone, this could be on Android and could be on iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to log out of X on the X application on your phone, just go ahead and open the X app. Once you open the X app, click on the profile icon at the top left, then click on this expansion menu where you see support and settings or settings and support, and click on settings and privacy. Once you select settings and privacy, then locate your account and click on that. Once you click on your account, locate account information under your account and then click on it. Here you're gonna have access to the logout button, then go ahead and log out. Then see what that says, do you want to log out of your X account? Click on logout. Then you should see your X account logged out. Alternatively, you can also log out of X on browser. So if you're using browser, either Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, and you are on x.com website, just like this, you sign into your X account and now you want to log out of your X account on browser, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top right. Then once you click on that, just scroll down the menu that opens, then you should see logout. Now go ahead and hit the logout button, then you should see logout of X. And once you see that, you can always log in back at any time. If you just want to switch accounts, you can do that by adding an existing account. Now to log out of X, just go ahead and click on logout. And then you should see logging out. And once you logged out, then you should see the X page just like this happening now. Then you're good to go. So that is basically how to log out of X. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.